my name is Ishika and today's video is a kitchen slash home essentials and मेरे पास कुछ healthy food solutions भी है. So without any more further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so talking about kitchen, I have a lot of kitchen items that I'm super excited about. Few days back, one of my followers on Instagram DM'd me to suggest some kitchen essentials. So while suggesting that person, I also came across some of the products that I really loved. So I even suggested the person the same products, and me myself, I also got the same things and even more. So let's start from those products only. Starting off with, I got this oil dispenser bottle. I got a combo of two, and I even got one funnel to pour the oil in the bottle. So let's see how the funnel is. So I really love that they provided the funnel, because me being a clumsy person, I will just create a mess. So it comes very handy, and even the bottle quality is super amazing. I really love the quality. You just have to do is press here and the cap will open and just pour the oil directly in your pan. And now moving on, I got a chopping board. From a long time I have been searching for a good quality and good shape chopping board. For me, the shape of the chopping board also matters a lot, okay? Like, I really want a unique shape chopping board. So I got this chopping board. I didn't expect it that it would be such a good quality. Like, it is super thick, the wood, and the shape is very beautiful, especially this section. It is kind of rectangle, but the edges are round, and here it is not the same as rectangle. Here you can see the shape is a little different. It looks super stylish, and I really love the chopping board. And I have used this chopping board, not me, my sister. Like, I never really cook, so love the quality of the chopping board, and it's really durable, and you can use both the sides of the chopping board as it's normal wood, and the quality is super good. And for the price point, I really love the chopping board. I need to mention one thing, that I'll not be providing the prices of the products individually, because it doesn't make any sense, as the prices keeps on fluctuating on Amazon. And so I'll be providing the links in the description box below. If you like any of the products, you can directly check it from the website itself. And I have seen many different shapes of chopping board, like heart shape, apple shape. I really love those also, but my budget was really restricted because I have purchased a lot of products, as you will be seeing in the video. So I wanted to get one chopping board that has a lot of space to cut many vegetables and fruits at the same time. So I went with this chopping board, and I will give you the thumbs up. Next, I got this multi-purpose wire dishwashing scrubber. Okay, now I got a set of 6 scrubbers. My mom has been using one scrubber, so she liked it so far, so I guess it is good. And this is how this scrubber looks like. It is normal, like square shape, and here you have a rough kind of material here, so it is just super handy. You can just fold it and just scrub your utensils, and it's really good because it doesn't make your hands rough. My biggest concern for my mom was, like, she uses that steel wool, right? And it was so rough that her hands used to get cut. So whenever we used to go for certain official works, fingerprint doesn't work. So my biggest concern was that, and so I got this, and this is super gentle for the hands also, and it cleans the utensils. Yeah, I really loved. My mom really loved this, to be specific. Next product is everybody's favorite, my favorite, my sister's, my mom's, my dad's, everybody's favorite, and this is this storage container. It is super airtight. I really love this factor, and the product itself is also super classy. It is plastic, so it is easy to be handled. There's no tension of breaking, and the upper lid is also transparent. That is a very good thing. And the most important thing that I got this is it's transparent. I can see what is inside the box without the need of opening, because I'm super lazy. So you can just open this locks and have your things. And here you have a plastic rubber sort of a thing that makes it airtight. Now, as you have seen, the storage container is simple, transparent, and black, to be specific. So how can I not bring a masala storage container of the same look? And so I got this masala ka dibbi in the same color variant. It is transparent. It has got a black lid to be specific. It is super cheap, you know. I have seen many masala ka dibbi in Amazon, but it was very expensive. But this one was very cheap considering the quality. You get 6 of such boxes and 6 spoons, and I stored all of the masalas here. Initially I wanted to go with glass, but my sister told that it is not very user friendly, so that's why we shifted to plastic, but that gives a look of glass, as you can see, and I really like it. I really believe in purchasing one item that is very good quality instead of purchasing sasta but not durable. So I got this Prestige tawa. This is the tawa and it is induction friendly. I purchased this keeping in mind that it should be induction friendly, and this is super good quality. It is super heavy duty tawa. It will not break by any means, and this non-stick. Prestige is overall a good brand, and this tawa is 22.5 centimeter and is of super good quality. And if you want to get a good tawa, go with this. It is very good. Next I got this tong, and it is of really good quality. You can serve cakes and even flip rotis. That is very important that your fingers get burned. So yeah, you can give it a shot. Next product is this tumbler, and I've been loving this tumbler and using this very often. Initially I used to drink cold coffee in this tumbler, but now cold coffee is like a distant dream for me, and I cannot drink or eat anything cold, so I drink normal lime juice in this tumbler. Let me show you how the tumbler is. It is fully glass. It looks so chic and so beautiful and aesthetic, and it has got a wooden lid, and the lid is airtight. And this tumbler comes with 2 glass straws. I got 2 tumblers, and this is my favorite purchase. You must definitely give this tumbler a try. This is like I got some glass balls, and this is by the brand Agaro. It's really heavy, yeah. So it has got a total of 3 glass balls, and 3 are different size. This is the biggest ball. It has got a lid, also airtight lid. This is the medium size ball, and this is the smallest one, and all of these 3 comes with lid. That is the best part of this container. So you can even close this lid, and it is airtight. Like now to is slipping from my hand. It's so slippery, and the glass is also of really good quality. Let me show you. It is so thick, it is microwave friendly, and it is of good quality in general. Now I'm going to be showing you the most beautiful item of this haul. So let me open this box now. So this is a glass pudding set. As you can see, it is a floral design. I've seen a lot of pudding sets in Amazon, but this one caught my eyes. It's got a total of 6 pudding sets, and I just fell in love as soon as I saw this pudding set. This is the next product right here, and it is a very beautiful clock, and I got 2 of this same wall clock, one for my room and one for common room. And one most important thing about this clock is that it does not tick 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 tick, which is the most annoying thing. And this is the back side of this watch, and the most beautiful thing about this watch is the edge. It has got a thick gold, rose gold border, and it is super good quality as of now. I don't know for how long it will last, but as of now I'm really loving how this watch is working. So a big thumbs up for my side. The next product is this matte. It is little tacky, the color. Like I really don't love the color so much, but it had no beautiful color options available. Like if it had brown color, I would definitely go with that color, but unfortunately it had pink, orange, green, so I went with the green one. And this is super big, like it is 9 into 6 inches. That is like covering my whole room. It is so big, we need to even fold it in half, and that is like my height. Okay, if we fold it in half, it is my height. So it is super big and of really good quality. So if you are searching for a good mat, give it a try, because the original bamboo mats are super expensive over in Amazon. So you can give this a shot because it is really cheap, and like you just need to put it in the floor and sleep, and when you are done you can just fold it and make it into a bag. So it is super convenient. And see, I have been thinking of doing yoga from ages now. So this is the yoga mat and I got it in the color black as I love black. This yoga mat is of really good quality. It doesn't move when you will do yoga. So a big thumbs up in that point. Now I have to start using this yoga mat. Looking forward to use this yoga mat super soon. Next I got some wallpapers from my house. This is the first one. It is in black and white. It has got a marble texture. And the next one is this. It is white and gold pattern going on. The room decor transformation will be coming super soon, so I'll be not talking about this more, but I've got a total of I guess 7 or 8 of these rolls and only 2 of these. So yeah, these are the wallpapers that I got and both are of really good quality as I've seen till now. So yeah, now moving on to the next product. Okay, next I got this body scrubber and it has got like minimum order quantity of 2, so you cannot order 1, so I got 2 for me and my sister. So let me show you how it is. So this is the body scrubber and this is really good quality. It is made of silicone and you can just open the lid and put your favorite body wash and little water and it makes the body wash super foamy and just scrub your body, and it's so nice, and silicone here removes the dirt very nicely. This body scrubber is of really good quality and I'm really loving using this. So we are almost to the end of the video and we are left with only 2 items. So these are the healthy food items that I want to suggest you all. The first is this chia seed and it is a chia seed raw by True Elements. So this is the chia seed. I have already stored it in one of the containers. It is of 500 grams and this chia seed is super high in fiber and protein and it is super hydrating. So this chia seed is a good thing to incorporate in your diet. So I have stored all of the chia seeds here and I have been consuming this chia seed from the past 1 week almost, and it is super hydrating and I'm loving having this. So this is the last product and please don't mind the looks of this. This is by the brand So Good and it is plant-based almond milk. It has no added sugar, no flavor, and almond milk is super good for your health, and we bought this 1 liter of almond milk. The way this milk was sent, I really don't like it because it was just not packaged well, and that is the reason why the cover is just torn and whatnot. But the milk inside is super good. You can eat it with your coffee or even soak your chia seed in this milk. So almond milk is a very good thing to incorporate in your diet. So I brought this and this is the last suggestion from my side. And so we come to the end of this Amazon kitchen/home essentials, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. It is a new type of video in my channel because I have never really made a video on home essentials or kitchen essentials. So it is the first time that I've purchased things from Amazon for my kitchen and my home. So I have really enjoyed filming this video and I hope you also enjoyed watching this video as well. So do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment and share this video as well. And many more shopping haul videos and vlogs are coming on the way, so stay tuned for that. And yes, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. Till then, bye.